One quiet night, Nila tiptoed past her sleeping town and discovered a secret path. The path led to a glowing garden bathed in moonlight. Plants shimmered, and tiny lights floated in the air. As Nila stepped closer, fireflies circled her, whispering softly, "Welcome, dreamer! The garden needs you!" Nila gasped. Animals in the garden could talk. But suddenly, the colors of the garden began to dim. Flowers drooped, lights flickered. "Why is this happening?" Nila asked the wise old owl perched on a glowing tree. Nila ran back to town, gathering her friends. She told them to close their eyes, think of magical things, and share their dreams. One by one, children imagined flying fish, rainbow trees, and dancing stars. The garden shimmered, brighter than ever. Nila and her friends visited the garden every night, laughing, creating, and sharing stories. Each dream they imagined sent tiny sparks of light into the air. The garden glowed more than ever before. The next morning, the children remembered their dreams. They painted murals, told stories, and played with creativity. The magical garden, hidden by day, waited for moonlight, but its light lived in every child's heart. Remember, children, imagination is like moonlight. It may hide in the day, but it shines brightly when shared. Kindness, creativity, and dreams can light up the world.